Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product we discovered that could transform your food storage routine, the Gasbye Vacuum Food Containers. We've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these containers? The Gasbye set consists of two vacuum food containers with capacities of 24 ounces and 39 ounces, designed specifically for use with the Gasbye VS5166 vacuum sealer. They're perfect for keeping your kitchen organized and ensuring your food stays fresh for much longer. However, it's important to note that if you don't have a compatible Gasbye vacuum sealer, these containers might not be the right fit for you. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. First off, these containers are made from premium materials, including durable, food-grade glass, silicone, and plastic. This not only ensures longevity but also makes them safe for storing your food. Cleaning them is easy, too. The glass container is dishwasher safe, while the lid and sealing ring can be detached for convenient hand washing. One of the key benefits of these containers is their user-friendly design. They come with a vacuum pressure indicator right in the center of the lid, which allows you to quickly check if the vacuum seal has been achieved. This means less guesswork and more confidence in the freshness of your stored food. Plus, the built-in date scale on the lid is a game-changer. You can easily note when you sealed your food, helping you keep track of how long it's been stored and ensuring you consume items at their peak freshness. These vacuum containers are suitable for anyone who loves meal prepping, wants to reduce food waste, or simply desires a more organized kitchen. They're excellent for busy families, health-conscious individuals, or anyone who enjoys marinating meats or storing leftovers. With their stackable design, they help maximize kitchen space, making them ideal for small kitchens or anyone looking to keep their countertops clutter-free. In practical use, you can use these containers to store everything from fruits and vegetables to marinated proteins. If you're prepping meals for the week ahead, these vacuum containers can help maintain the quality of your food, allowing you to enjoy delicious meals without the hassle of daily cooking. They are also great for freezing, as the vacuum seal helps prevent freezer burn and prolongs the shelf life of your food. In conclusion, the Gasbye vacuum food containers are a smart investment for anyone looking to improve their food storage